Hi everyone, this is Kelly from ZHONGTUO roll forming machinery. Today I will introduce you about our downpipe roll forming machinery. This is the round downpipe machines, and you can see for here, this is the whole roll forming machines, and this is totally 28 rolling number stations. And from the decoiler, the main roll forming, and the cutting to make the machines, and this is the PLC control system. And to make this finished product, this is a round downpipe roll forming machine. And this machine is used for many holes outside, and to get the water, and inside to out from the water. And for this machine, it have the different meshed machines. It also can do the bending and the shrink, so that it can install and the connect. For this one, for here, this is a shrinking machine. For this machine, it can make this shape, and it's so that it can connect with other machines like this. It's very easy, and install like this, and in center of this. And another machine is matched with the machines. It's the bending machines. You can see it can bend the different angles. For this one, it's 45 degrees for this angle, and you can make the 90 degrees for this one, so that it can use for many different houses, and suitable and convenient for this machine, and easy, very easy to operate by the PLC control system, so that when after you shrink it, and then you can connect on this machine. So after you do the bending and the shrinking for here, and you can insert for this product and connect it, and very tightly, and won't lose it. This can make sure this is a very good product. If the machine is not good, and the shrinking will very loose, when do this, it will lose it and not very good. But for ours, it won't. So if you like these machines, you can contact us. Thank you.